Hello, Max. Hello, buddy. I see you there. Where you going? Where you going? Maxie, good board. He's a good boy. Max? Where's Max? Where's Max? I see you. He's playing. He likes to come outside of the cage. Where's Max? I see you. Pretty bird. Pretty boy. Pretty boy. Pretty boy. Here's Murdoch. Hello, Murdoch. Murdoch, my rescue dove, is doing very well. You just missed him ringing his bell, though. Here, there's your face better. Hello. Hello. Say hello. Woo. Woo. Hello, buddy.
Say hello, buddy.
Hi, buddy. Where's Buddy? Why are you going hiding? Buddy's hiding. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Where's Buddy? There he is. I see you in there. Hi, buddy. Nah, now he doesn't want to come out. Okay, we'll see you later.